Hello, plant enthusiasts. Ready to embark on a journey into the enchanting world of cacti? Join us as we explore the top 10 best types of cactus plants that are not just green companions, but also perfect additions to your home oasis. The golden barrel cactus boasts a striking globe shape adorned with golden spines, making it a visually captivating choice for homes. Resilient and low maintenance, its unique appearance adds a touch of desert charm to indoor spaces. The Christmas cactus enchants with flat, segmented stems and vibrant holiday blooms. Its adaptability to indoor environments, coupled with festive flowering, makes it an ideal and festive choice for home decor, spreading joy and color. The zebra plant captivates with its compact size and distinctive white bands on succulent leaves. Ideal for small spaces, its unique appearance and low maintenance make it a perfect cactus companion for home decor. The jade plant is a symbol of prosperity with its thick, oval leaves. Known for its easy care, it thrives in homes, bringing a touch of greenery and positive energy, a resilient and charming addition to any indoor space. Aloe vera stands out for its fleshy leaves with healing properties. Ideal for homes, it requires minimal care, purifies the air, and offers the benefits of its gel for skin and health, making it a versatile and beneficial cactus companion. The moon cactus captivates with its grafted, colorful top. Despite lacking chlorophyll, it thrives indoors, adding vibrant hues and unique charm to homes. A low-maintenance choice for those seeking a delightful and distinctive cactus companion. The pincushion cactus charms with small, cylindrical stature and dense spines. Ideal for homes, it showcases clusters of vibrant flowers, adding a crown-like burst of color. A delightful and visually appealing choice for indoor cactus enthusiasts. The Easter cactus blooms with delicate, pendulous stems and vibrant flowers around the holiday. Adaptable to indoor environments, its festive allure and easy care make it an enchanting and seasonal choice for home decor. The fishhook cactus charms with small, globe-shaped bodies and distinctive hooked spines. Perfect for homes, it graces spaces with clusters of colorful flowers, adding a touch of nature's artistry to indoor environments. A visually captivating cactus companion. The bunny ears cactus delights with flat pads resembling bunny ears and covered in small, hair-like spines. Ideal for indoor spaces, its charming appearance and low-maintenance nature make it an adorable and hassle-free cactus companion for home decor. And there you have it, folks. The top 10 cactus plants to transform your home into a desert-inspired haven. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to subscribe for more plant-filled adventures. Happy gardening!